Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben, and we are so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're going to practice listening to a real daily English conversation. A conversation about a normal Monday morning.
That's right. We'll talk about the weekend, coffee, weekly plans, and simple everyday things people talk about in real life.
And remember, you don't need to understand every single word. Just listen, relax, and try to catch the main ideas.
Exactly. Every time you listen, your ears get stronger, so just enjoy the conversation.
All right, are you ready?
Let's do this!
Okay, so here is how today's practice works.
First, we'll hear a clear and easy version. We'll speak clearly, and the sentences will be easy to follow.
After that, we'll explain some key phrases, useful expressions that you heard in the conversation.
Then we'll listen to the same conversation again, this time in a more natural, everyday style.
The second version may feel more casual, and that's okay. You can also pause the audio if you need to. This is your practice. Do it your way.
So first, clear and easy. Then, key phrases. Then, natural, everyday English.
Let's go! Okay, here is the clear and easy version. Listen carefully. Try to understand the main ideas. Here we go.
Hey, Emily. Good morning.
Hey, Ben. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm pretty good, thank you. Kind of tired, but pretty good. How about you?
I'm great, actually. I had a really good weekend, so I'm feeling good today.
Oh, yeah? How was your weekend?
It was really nice. On Saturday, I stayed home, I cleaned my apartment, I watched a movie. It was very relaxing.
Ah, that sounds really nice. A relaxing Saturday. I love that.
Yes, and on Sunday, I went to the park with my friend Sarah. We had coffee and walked around. It was beautiful outside.
That sounds wonderful. I love going to the park. Okay, ask me about my weekend.
All right. How was your weekend, Ben?
My weekend was interesting. So on Saturday, I planned to stay home, but then my friend called me, and we ended up going to a basketball game.
Oh, really? A basketball game?
Yes, it was so much fun. The game was really exciting, and our team won.
That's awesome. I didn't know you liked basketball, Ben.
I love basketball. I don't go to games very often, but it was really great.
And Sunday? What did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was very quiet. I slept late, I made breakfast at home, eggs and toast, and then I just rested. It was a good day to do nothing.
I love those days. Sometimes you just need to rest.
Exactly. So now it's Monday and I really need coffee.
Yes, me too. I already had 1 cup this morning, but I think I need another one.
Same. I always have coffee in the morning. I can't start my day without it.
Coffee is very important. Very, very important.
Agreed. So what about this week? What are you up to this week, Emily?
Not too much, really. I have some work to do, and I'm thinking about going to the gym. I want to go 2 or 3 times this week. I want to go more regularly.
Oh, nice. I should go to the gym too. I keep saying that.
Yes, you do. Maybe this week is the week, Ben.
Maybe. I'm also planning to call my parents this week. I haven't talked to them in a while. I miss them.
Aw, that's really sweet, Ben. Yes, definitely call them.
I will. Okay, so it's Monday morning. We have coffee. We have plans. I think it's going to be a good week.
I think so too. All right, everyone. That was the clear and easy version. How did you do? Did you understand most of it? Really good job for listening all the way through. Okay, before we do the natural everyday version, Let's talk about 5 key phrases from the conversation. These are really useful. You will hear people say these in daily conversations all the time.
We'll say each phrase clearly, explain what it means, and give you a simple example. And today, we also have one bonus phrase to help you sound more natural. Ready?
How was your weekend? People say this a lot, especially on Monday morning. It's a friendly, natural question.
And you can answer in a few simple ways. You can say, it was really nice, or it was pretty good, or it was great, actually.
That word actually is very useful. We use it when something is a little better than expected. Maybe you thought your weekend would be boring, but it was great. So you say, it was great, actually.
I ended up. This is a very useful phrase. You use it when something different happened. Your plan changed.
So Ben's plan was to stay home, but what really happened? He ended up going to a basketball game. The plan was one thing, what happened was different.
You can use this for many things. I planned to cook dinner, but I ended up ordering pizza. I was going to stay home, but I ended up going to a party. Very natural.
I'm kind of tired. The key expression is kind of. Kind of means a little bit. Not very much, but a little. It makes the sentence softer.
So, I'm kind of tired means I'm a little tired. Not extremely tired, just a little tired. You can also say, I'm kind of hungry. It's kind of hot today. I'm kind of busy right now.
What are you up to this week? This means, what are your plans this week? Up to here means plans, activities, or things you are going to do.
People use this question all the time. You can also say, what are you up to later? What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to tonight? All of these are friendly and common. I can't start my day without it. Ben said this about coffee. Here, it means coffee.
So we can say, I can't start my day without it, or we can say the full sentence, I can't start my day without coffee.
This is a great way to say something is very important to you, something you feel you need every day.
And for me, that thing is coffee. Definitely coffee.
And here is a bonus phrase. That sounds really nice. This is a friendly way to react when someone tells you about an experience, a plan, or an idea.
You can change the last word. You can say, that sounds fun, that sounds relaxing, that sounds interesting, or that sounds great.
This is a simple way to show the other person, I'm listening and I'm interested.
Exactly. It helps you sound friendly and natural in conversation.
Okay, quick review. Listen to the 5 key phrases and the bonus phrase one more time.
How was your weekend?
I ended up going to a basketball game.
I'm kinda tired.
What are you up to this week?
I can't start my day without coffee.
That sounds really nice.
Great, now you know the key phrases. Let's listen again, this time in a more natural, everyday style.
Here we go. Okay, everyone, here is the natural, everyday version. This is how Ben and I might really talk. It may feel more casual, that's totally okay. Just listen, try to catch the key phrases, and enjoy it.
Hey, Emily. Good morning.
Hey, Ben. Good morning. How are you today?
Pretty good, thanks. Kinda tired, but pretty good. How about you?
I'm great, actually. I had a really good weekend, so I'm feeling good today.
Oh yeah? How was your weekend?
It was really nice. Saturday, I stayed home, cleaned my apartment, watched a movie. Super relaxing.
Oh, that sounds so nice. A relaxing Saturday? I love that.
Right? And then Sunday, I went to the park with my friend Sarah. We had coffee and just walked around. It was beautiful outside.
That sounds really nice. I love going to the park. Okay, ask me about my weekend.
All right. How was your weekend, Ben?
My weekend was interesting. So Saturday, I planned to just stay home, right? But then my friend called me, and we ended up going to a basketball game.
Oh, really? A basketball game?
Yes, it was so much fun. Super exciting. And our team won.
That's awesome. I didn't know you liked basketball.
I love basketball. I don't go to games that often, but it was such a great time.
And Sunday?
Sunday was really quiet. Slept late, made breakfast at home, eggs and toast, and then just chilled. One of those good do-nothing days, you know?
Oh, I love those days. Sometimes you just need to rest.
Totally. So now it's Monday, and I really need coffee, like badly.
Yes, me too. I already had one cup, but I think I need another one.
Same. I honestly can't start my day without coffee. It's just not possible.
Coffee is absolutely essential. 100%.
Agreed. So what about this week? What are you up to this week?
Not too much, really. I have some work stuff, and I'm thinking about going to the gym maybe 2 or 3 times this week. I really want to be more consistent, go more regularly.
Oh, nice. I should go too. I keep saying that. I know.
You really do. Maybe this is finally the week, Ben.
Maybe. I'm also planning to call my parents. I haven't talked to them in a while, and I kind of miss them.
Oh, that's so sweet. Yes, call them.
I will. Okay, so Monday morning, we've got coffee, we've got plans. I think it's going to be a good week.
I think so too. Okay, so that was the natural, everyday version. How did it feel? Did you understand more the second time? I hope so. Let's do a quick listening quiz. Are you ready?
Quiz time. We're going to ask 5 questions about the conversation. Think about your answer, then we'll give you the answer. Don't worry, these are simple questions. You can do this. Question 1. What did Emily do on Saturday?
I stayed home. I cleaned my apartment and watched a movie.
Emily stayed home. She cleaned her apartment and watched a movie. Question 2. Where did Emily go on Sunday, and who did she go with?
I went to the park. I went with my friend, Sarah.
Emily went to the park with her friend, Sarah.
Question 3. What was Ben's plan for Saturday? And what did he really do?
My plan was to stay home, but I ended up going to a basketball game with my friend.
Ben planned to stay home, but he ended up going to a basketball game.
Question 4. What does Emily want to do this week for exercise?
I want to go to the gym. I want to go 2 or 3 times this week.
Emily wants to go to the gym 2 or 3 times this week.
Question 5. Who does Ben want to call this week, and why?
I want to call my parents because I haven't talked to them in a while and I miss them.
Ben wants to call his parents because he hasn't talked to them in a while and he misses them. Great job, everyone! How did you do? If you got 3, 4, or 5 right, that is really excellent. Your listening is getting stronger every single day.
And if you missed some, that's completely okay. That's exactly why we're here. You can always go back and listen again. Every time you listen, you learn something new.
Before we go, let's quickly review the key phrases from today's conversation.
How was your weekend?
I ended up going to a basketball game.
I'm kind of tired today.
What are you up to this week?
I can't start my day without coffee.
That sounds really nice.
Great. Try to use one of these phrases today. Even one sentence is great practice.
Amazing job today. Seriously, you are doing great. The fact that you finished this episode means you are serious about learning English, and that is something to be really proud of.
We mean that. Every single listen counts. Every minute of practice adds up. You are making progress, even when it doesn't feel like it.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. It really, really helps us grow. And it helps your friend, too.
And if you have a question, or if you want to tell us how you did on the quiz, leave a comment. We read them. We love hearing from you.
Until next time, keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.